Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use and enable auto scroll over on TikTok. So when you want to use auto scroll on TikTok, it's actually quite easy, so let's just immediately jump into the tutorial. So what you want to do is you want to open your TikTok app, and from your profile section you want to go to home. Just like this, and you want to go to any video that you want to start your auto scrolling section from. So for example, I want to just watch my For You page well with auto scrolls. Then I just simply pause a video, and literally all I need to do then is I want to hold my screen just like this, and I want to scroll a little bit to the right till I see auto scroll right here. Now we can see that auto scroll is enabled, and now when you watch videos and the video ends, it will automatically scroll to the next video. So that's how you can use and enable auto scroll over on TikTok. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.